Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make this delicious crispy fried hot honey shrimp, so let's get started with the video. Begin by peeling and deveining 1 pound of shrimp. When you're finished, rinse and clean the shrimp and then dry them off. Next, season them with pepper. When you're finished, set your shrimp to the side. Next, in a large bowl, add 3 cups of flour. Then add 1 tablespoon of pepper, 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, 1 tablespoon of onion powder, 1 tablespoon of Old Bay seasoning, and 1 tablespoon of paprika. After adding all the seasonings, mix everything together until well combined. Next, take another large bowl and add 1 cup of your seasoned flour into the bowl. Then, in that same bowl you added the flour to, add 1 egg, 1 tablespoon of hot sauce, and around 1.5 cups of beer. If your batter is too thick, add more beer. If your batter is too loose, add more flour. This is the consistency you want for your batter. When you're finished, it should look like this. When you have finished making the wet batter, you can begin coating your shrimp. First, coat the shrimp in the wet batter. And then coat it in the seasoned flour. Repeat this process until you've coated all of your shrimp. When you have finished coating your shrimp, you can begin frying them. Add vegetable oil to a pot or deep fryer and then heat the oil up to around 350 degrees. When the oil is hot, fry your shrimp for 3 to 5 minutes or until crispy and golden brown. Make sure to cook your shrimp in batches so you don't overcrowd your pot or deep fryer. When your shrimp have finished cooking, take them out and place them on a wire rack. Repeat this process until you've fried all of your shrimp. Once you finish frying the shrimp, we're going to move on and make the hot honey sauce. In a small saucepan over medium heat, add 1 teaspoon of red pepper flakes. Toast the red pepper flakes for about a minute or until fragrant. Then add 1/3 cup of buffalo sauce and 2 tablespoons of butter. Stir everything together until the butter has melted. Next, add 2/3 cup of honey Then mix everything together until well combined. When you're finished, remove the sauce from the heat. Next, place your shrimp in a large bowl. Then, pour the hot honey sauce over the shrimp and toss the shrimp in the sauce until they are well coated. When you're finished, all you have to do is plate it and enjoy. And this is the finished result. The hot honey shrimp were delicious. They were crispy, sweet, and spicy. I got the recipe for the hot honey sauce from Chef Colby Cash. He has great recipes and always makes delicious food. If you want to check him out, I have a link to his Instagram and TikTok in the description below. Alright, that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Everything I used in this video will be down in the description below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!